Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S in bright white. With tinted windshield glass, automatic headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 11051A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.